Ever wondered how to pinpoint countries from just a list of cities in Tableau and unlock powerful geographical insights? First, let's discuss what we're working with. You'll need a dataset. This dataset should include a column with city names. Make sure this column is correctly formatted as a string or text field. Method 1. Leveraging Tableau's built-in geographic roles. Drag your city field onto the details shelf in the marks card, then click the field and assign it the geographic role of city. If your dataset has latitude and longitude data, you can use a simple map which should automatically generate the country information. If it does not, proceed to step 2. Now, click the city field, select geographic role, and if the country doesn't magically appear, manually assign the geographic role to the country level. This should automatically generate a map visualizing the data by country. Using your city data using the country visualization, your analysis can be done by country. Now for method 2. Joining your city data to a different dataset with country information. In your first dataset, drag both datasets to Tableau. Make sure you have separate columns that match, like city names. Once the datasets have been dragged in, join your data, and use the country column in either dataset. Now, select the country field to analyze your data, and you're all set to build insightful country-level visualizations. That's it. See how to extract the country and analyze by it can be done. Remember to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips.